Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to public networks safely on Windows 10. We'll cover essential steps to ensure your device is secure and your data protected. You'll learn to adjust settings for optimal protection and understand the potential risks involved. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate public Wi-Fi with confidence and peace of mind. First, let's find and connect to a public Wi-Fi network. Open your network settings and look for all available connections in your area. Carefully choose the specific network you wish to join. If prompted, enter the password provided by the establishment. Always double-check the network name to avoid connecting to potentially fake or malicious hotspots.
If you're finding this video helpful and informative, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh, organized, and ready to go. Check the description below for the product link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once connected, it's crucial to set your network profile to public. This setting automatically enhances your security by restricting certain features. Next, disable file and printer sharing to prevent any unauthorized access to your personal files. Also, turn off network discovery completely so your computer isn't visible to other devices on the same public network. For an extra layer of security, always use a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts all your internet traffic, effectively protecting your sensitive data from prying eyes. Confirm your Windows firewall is active and properly configured to block any unwanted incoming connections. Regularly update your operating system to patch security vulnerabilities and ensure maximum protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.